Shri Bhagwati presents Tablet Press Machine. A tablet press machine is a mechanical device used in the pharmaceutical and related industries to compress powder or granules into tablet form. This process is known as tableting or tablet compression. Tablet presses are crucial in the pharmaceutical manufacturing process, as they help produce consistent and uniform tablets with accurate dosage. Tablet press machines come in various types, including single punch, rotary tablet presses, and high-speed tablet presses, each with its own advantages and applications. The choice of a specific tablet press depends on factors such as production volume, the type of material being compressed, and the desired tablet characteristics. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.